Day in the life of a Chinoy. Ano na lang, a day in the life of a father. What's up guys? Daddy Ben here. It's been a while. Grabe ang pawis ba? Alam niyo anong ginawa ko kaya ako pawis? Nagtipid ako ng kuryente. Anak ko naka-aircon, tas ako pati electric fan nakapatay. Today I am craving cake. This is my time for myself. May mga friends na nagpadala sa akin because they saw my vlog. Thank you so much. And surprise! Reminding everyone the importance of taking a rest kasi kapag wala kang rest, it's so easy for you to get exhausted, especially if you're a first-time parent. Natutunan ko yan kasi nung first week na pinanganak si Pau Pau, kahit meron akong help sa bahay, I didn't wanna leave him. Hindi ako natutulog. After 2 weeks, nagkatrangkaso ako. 3 to 4 days ko siyang hindi nakita because I had to quarantine myself. Most painful part of becoming a new parent, yung hindi mo siya pwedeng malapitan. So take care of yourself. Blueberry and strawberry. Ay, ang dami naman nun. Pagod na ako mag-video. Gusto ko na maging non-showbiz boyfriend. 再见.